All right. So this colorful gift is made mostly with things from my inventory, but we're going to take some thoughtful things from the Dollar Tree and make it pop. So come along with me. I have already gone ahead and taken this container that I did get from the Dollar Tree, stuffed it with some paper, and now I'm going to take some tissue paper and put that around here. Just like that. Okay? And now I'm going to take this piece of cardboard because I need a backer. Okay? From a box. And I'm going to cover it with this tissue paper. I like to do this just because this part may be seen. I'm going to try to keep it from being seen, but it may be. So I fold it down like a gift. Even if a little teeny bit of it is showing, that is okay. Teeny tiny. As long as it's the same color scheme, it won't even be that noticeable. Okay? If at all. This is going to be my backer because I need some stability in the back because this little bucket here does not have a backer. I don't want this to move. That's why I'm doing all this, okay? I don't want it to move. So, I am going to place this with this part on the back and this part in the front. I'm going to stand up because we know I can't see. Hold on. Let's see. Do I need to? Not yet. All right. So, next I have these slippers. I'm going to stand up now. I have these slippers and I'm going to put them like that. And then I have already gone ahead and wrapped these socks, the candy. It's a journal and pen and a is that a bookmark? Pen, a bookmark, a journal, the socks, and candy. So we're gonna put that right here, like that. We're gonna make it stay, okay? So now don't worry about it. We're gonna make it stay. I'm just trying to figure out how to set it up at the moment because I did not think it through. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Next, we have some Sugar Dream body lotion. And we're going to put that right here. And with that, we have the spray. We're going to make everything stay still in a minute. I just want to make sure we can get it all on here. Okay? You can't see that. I don't like that. Okay, hold on. I want them to be able to see the socks, right? So I'm going to do it. Let me see. Okay, I think that's going to be okay. Let's start putting it together. And I also was thinking, I know, no, maybe this should go in the back and that should go in the front. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Because that actually could go right here, right? Ooh, we might actually be fixing that. Let me see. Okay. Hmm. 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 Well, first let's start glue dotting. Okay. Let's do that. Let's glue dot that there so I can stop moving. And then I actually think I'm going to glue dot. Let's see if this will work. It did. Okay. And then I'm going to glue dot that. Right there. Okay. And then I'm going to glue dot that. Right there. Let's look at that. Okay. And then I have some wax melts. I made these. These are Gardenia Peach. And where do we want to put that? Let me come around. Make sure you can see. Okay. Now, I actually, I don't know if I need to do that. Or we might put it here. Okay. Just so I can cover that. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Okay. That is exactly what I'm going to do. And I also put my warning label on the back of that. You're supposed to put warning labels on the back of all candles. Okay. Aha! Okay. And now I have this flower. And I'm going to place it right here, like that. So let me glue dot that in there. You may hear my daughter coming in from work. Okay. Filming. Filming. All right, so I'm almost done. Right there, just like that. Okay. 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 And I have these little picks to add a little bit more red. I like that. Ooh, and it goes straight through the paper. Look at that. I only needed one. I only needed one. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is I'm videotaping. I can hear you, ma'am. So the next thing we're going to do is put in a little bit of this paper right here and right here. I don't think she can hear me, and I don't want to get louder, so my apologies, guys, if you can hear her. All right. I'm filling up all the areas that have a little bit of space, and there's some space around here. We don't want that. Not even in the back, okay? Not even in the back. It'll make it look empty. All right. 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 What do you think? Do you like it? It's bright. Tell me what you think. Please like, comment, subscribe, watch my other videos, and until next time, bye. Thank you so much for watching.